Well, hello everybody, this is Brett Darian here, and a common question that a lot of people have today is how do I transfer my old VHS tapes, or maybe even your old camcorder tapes, to digital files on your computer or some other device. And there are many ways to do this today, and for the past decade I've been using this is an Easy Grabber 2, also the same thing. It's like an Easy Cap or Easy Capture. And this is just a simple little dongle. You have your composite and S-video connections here. And then you have a USB connector here that you just plug into any free USB port on your computer. And you start up some software and then you just simply start recording. And I have gotten acceptable results using this. But I've always wondered if maybe I could do a little better, and there definitely are more advanced and high quality devices that can give you better results, and I think this is one of them. This is the Pinnacle Studio MovieBox USB version 9, and this is from 2004, so it's definitely not new. It's like 20 years old already. But that doesn't mean this isn't useful today, because you can still use this and possibly still get better results than new devices that you might be able to buy today. Now, as you can see, I didn't pay much for this, but these devices that are more advanced can still run you like $50 to $100 or more on eBay. So for that price, I decided to try it out. I figured the risk was pretty minimal. But anyway, this says it does support USB 2. It even has the high-speed USB logo, so hopefully that means that this does utilize the faster speed of USB 2.0. And you see here it's compatible with analog camcorders and VCRs. And on the back here, it even gives all these logos here of all the different video formats that it's compatible with, including VHS, VHS-C, High 8, SVHS, standard video 8, and all that. And you can use the included software to record and edit videos, and it even gives you a little diagram here of how you connect it. A PC with high-speed USB 2 or USB 1, and you can connect a VCR, TV set, DVD player, pretty much anything with a composite or S-video connection will work. So we're going to try this out today and see how it compares against the quality of something like this. So here's a close-up look at the device itself. It's just a simple little box, and somebody here labeled already that this is the output and this is the input, so you can actually pass this through to another TV or VCR monitor if you want to do that. And the box even included this little stand here, so you can actually slide the device into the stand and set it upright like that. And the box also included the power adapter, which it outputs 3.3 volts, and it also included a USB cable, which oddly enough it still uses the standard printer port. And here is the back label of the device. It's Pinnacle Systems MovieBox USB revision 1.0, made in China. And Pinnacle Systems is actually the same company behind the Dazzle products. So again, this should be decent quality, at least. We will find out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the Easy Grabber 2 device to record our footage. So first we'll plug it in to the laptop. This is running Windows 10. And then we'll connect the composite cables coming from the VCR, like that. And now we'll start up the Easy Grabber software. There we go, we're getting a blue screen from the VCR. And the settings that I like to use here, the only thing I like to change is in the record section on the setup menu, I select the DVD format. That seems to give the best quality. So now we're ready to record. So here's the VCR. And the particular tape that I will be using for this demonstration is this Comedy Barn video from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And this was recorded on July 4th, 1999. So we'll put in the tape. And we will press play. And we will start recording on the laptop using the Easy Grabber 2.
Yeah, black and blue tomorrow, sir. Yeah, let's try this one more time. Are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Then go find the duck. You guys go that way. You guys go this way. Check under the lights, go without men. They find that duck. Find the duck. Quackers, quackers. You guys go get him, guys. Run. Pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. Pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. Ouch! Shame on you! Shame on you! I was looking for a duck, not a goose. Boy. Sir, be careful like crazy lady. She'll pinch you on the bottom. That's all right. And you got a whole lot more bottom to pinch than I do, buddy. Yeah. So how about a great big kiss? I get that reaction from all the girls. I actually meant from the duck. What's your name?
Emily.
Hi, Emily. Mwah! There you go.
So now we'll do the same video test, only this time using the Pinnacle Systems MovieBox. But for this one though, I'm going to have to use my Windows XP machine because unfortunately there are no drivers for this device for Windows 10 or 11. And I also did not get the original CD software with this device, but luckily though I did find a version of the software archived on the internet. So I burned that to a CDR. And now we'll install it on the Windows XP machine. Okay, Pinnacle Studio is installing. Alright, Pinnacle Studio has finished installing. It took about 3 minutes. So now we got to restart. And we can finally start capturing our video footage. Okay, so I have everything set up and ready to go. So I got the composite cable going from the VCR into the input of the MovieBox. And we also got the power input going in. You see the green LED there. And we also got the USB connection going to the laptop. And here's the Pinnacle Studio software. This is the capture portion of the software. It is ready to capture. And this is using the built-in hard drive of the laptop. So you see here we just have, we got just shy of 54 gigabytes of free space, which is good enough for about 19 hours of recordings. And we got quality settings here. So if we go into the settings, we can do these different presets here. We got high quality DVD setting, a medium quality SVCD setting, a low quality setting, and you can also do custom settings where you select the resolution and the bit rate quality. But we'll just have it on the highest quality for now. And we got your preview window right here. So if I press play on the VCR, the preview shows what you're getting ready to capture. And you notice here there really isn't much in the way of lag. So that's very good. I think this really is using USB 2.0. So we will start capture. So we are now capturing in the highest quality preset of the Pinnacle Studio software. It does say there are 0 drop frames so far. So I'll put this video file into the main video and we'll see what it looks like. I might be seeing a little bit of lag here, but hopefully it's nothing that's showing up on the video file.
Where'd he go? Did you see him? Is he over there? Is he over there? Tell you what, everybody stand right on up, see if there's a duck under your bottom. Check under your bottom, see if you see a duck. No, sir, check under your own bottom. Check out that lady's bottom again. She's gonna hit you. Yeah. Did you get him? She's got him! Whoa, wait, I was getting worried. Now all my kids come right up here on stage, come right up here on stage. What's your name?
Emily.
Hi, Emily. Mwah! There you go. Now, Emily, we got something else here for you, too. We got you a duck chasing certificate. I can see you're excited about that, Emily, yeah. Do me a favor, take all those if you would. Come right down here to the bottom of the stairs and hand those out to all the kids that come down. Right down there. What's your name?
Isaac.
Hi, Isaac. We're going to turn that around. The duck might think you're his daddy. Yeah, there you go. Dun 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 dun. Mwah! There you go. Come on down here, Isaac. And what's your name?
Savannah.
Hey, Savannah, are you from Georgia?
No.
Where are you from?
Alabama.
Savannah, Alabama. Your parents got a weird geography thing going.
But I was from.
Oh, you were from Georgia.
I was named Savannah. From Georgia.
You were. I'm too confused already. Tell you what, you want to shake his hand? Go ahead and shake his hand. There you go. Have you ever shaken hands with a duck before?
No.
Well, you still haven't, Savannah. That was his foot. Mwah! There you go.
Alright, so I've recorded about 5 minutes of video. It does say 0 drop frame still. Although I have noticed that the video and audio seem to have drifted out of sync a little bit. But again, we'll see if that shows up on the video file or not, because I haven't watched it yet, of course. Alright, so now let's stop capture. And I'll stop the VCR. And after you get done capturing a video, then you can technically you can edit it if you want, and you can make your own movie of different video clips. So you can kind of use this as like an alternative to Windows Movie Maker or something. And you can also add you can add titles and all that stuff. But I will not be doing that with this software. I'll just be using this strictly just for capturing only. If you're wondering what the specifications of this laptop are, well, here it is right here. It's got 1 GB of RAM and a Intel Pentium M processor clocked at 1.5 GHz. And the minimum system requirements are an 800 MHz processor or higher, and 1.5 GHz or higher is recommended. And 256 megabytes of RAM is the minimum, and 512 megabytes is recommended. So this PC does meet or exceed those requirements. So here are those 2 video files that we captured. The one from the Easy Grabber 2 and the other from the Pinnacle Studio MovieBox. And if we compare the two, let's see here, the Easy Grabber 2 file recorded a bitrate of 6500 kbps and had an audio bitrate of 224 kbps and a 48 kilohertz audio sample rate, 29.97 frames per second, 720 by 480 resolution. And the MovieBox is actually very similar, just maybe slightly lower video bit rate, about 6000 kbps, but same resolution, same frame rate, and same audio bit rate as well. So very similar specifications for the files. And if we actually compare how the videos look, you know, the difference is not night and day for sure, but I do think that the quality of the MovieBox capture is slightly higher. I do think there's a little less visual noise and a little less compression going on with the MovieBox file. But again, though, it's not a big difference by any means. So I mean, the Pinnacle Studio MovieBox is definitely not like the best example of an external video capture device, and it's also more difficult to install, and the software is a bit more bloated. But if you are a more advanced user, then you may appreciate the additional features and the editing software capabilities of the Pinnacle Studio software. But overall, the difference, again, is not night and day, but I do think that this can show that there are better quality video capture devices out there besides these cheap USB dongles. And even this one, even though it's quite old now and outdated, I do think the quality is just as good, if not better, probably, than the Easy Grabber or Easy Capture software. But anyhow, though, I will let the video files speak for themselves. But for now, though, guys, that'll do it for me for this video. So I appreciate you all watching and commenting and giving me feedback. So let me know what you guys think. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know how. Yeah! I can't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me, and I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. There ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Everybody is your neighbor. On this one thing you can rely. They'll all come see you. Never, never leave you, saying y'all come to see us by and by. Y'all come. Y'all come. Oh, you all come see us when you can. Y'all come. Y'all come. Oh, you all come to see us now and then. Well, you all come to see us now and then.
Folks, you are a great crowd. Thanks for coming to the Comedy Barn.